Central TV Antenna System, MATV. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how a central TV antenna system, also known as MATV, works in residential buildings. A central antenna system is designed to receive television signals from a single rooftop antenna and distribute those signals to every apartment in the building. Instead of installing separate antennas for each unit, the entire building shares one system, making the installation cleaner and more efficient. Let's begin with the rooftop antenna. The antenna receives television signals in the UHF and VHF frequency bands. These signals are transmitted from broadcasting stations and captured by the antenna installed on top of the building. The signal then travels through an RG6 coaxial cable to a preamplifier. The preamplifier boosts weak signals before they enter the main distribution system. This is especially important in large buildings where signal losses can occur over long cable distances. After that, the signal reaches the main amplifier. The amplifier increases the signal strength and ensures that every apartment receives a stable and clear picture. Without proper amplification, the signal quality could decrease as it travels through the building. The amplified signal is then sent to a splitter, also called a distributor. The splitter divides the signal into multiple outputs and sends it to different floors. Additional splitters may be installed on each floor to distribute the signal to individual apartments. Inside each apartment, the signal reaches a TV outlet through RG6 coaxial cables. Residents can simply connect their televisions to the outlet and enjoy high-quality reception. Another essential part of the system is grounding. Grounding protects the antenna and electronic equipment from lightning strikes and electrical surges. Proper grounding improves safety and increases the reliability of the entire installation. To achieve the best results, technicians should use high-quality cables and connectors. It is also recommended to keep power cables away from signal cables to minimize interference and signal loss. Central antenna systems offer several advantages. They reduce installation costs, improve signal quality, simplify maintenance, and eliminate the need for multiple antennas on the roof. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more electrical engineering and building installation tutorials.